Hello students, welcome to the EVS class. Today we will learn chapter 2nd Everything About Me part 3. Let us start today's topic with an activity. There are many other ways in which we use the parts of our body. Look at the two sets of pictures below. Match the body part to the work for which you use it. Here there are some pictures: eyes, hand, ears, lips, and shoulders. Can you tell me how to match? Okay, first one, eyes. Eyes are used to read the book. Second one, hand. If you shake hands with someone, you are using hand. Third one, ears. Ears are used to hear music. Lips. Lips are used to talk with somebody else. Shoulders. Shoulders are help us to carry school bag. Next, all of us are special. We are all special in some way. Everyone is gifted with something special with them that makes them different from others. We differ from each other in that we have different interests. One might be good at music like Kabir. One might be good at in sports like Alia. Many people struggle with finding what they are good at. It is common among children to practice every activity and develop particular interest over time. Next, take a sheet. On a sheet of paper, write the name of your siblings or your friend. Write down what you think is special about him or her. Then give the parents your sheet. Children, as I taught you in my last class, all of us look different, but we are also like each other in many ways. Look at this page. Whom do you look like? Let me read out the lesson for you once. This is what Alia says. I look like my mother, but my nose is like my father's. My long neck is like my grandma's, and my short fingers are like my grandpa's. Why, children? Like this? Because of the DNA. Every living thing, including us, has a tiny instruction manual inside us. That's called DNA. Here there are some questions. First one, have people ever said such things to you? Second one, whom do people say you look like? Third one, whom do you think you look like? Fourth one, which person in your family do you like the most? Discuss with your parents. Let us review exercises. A. Answer these questions in one word. First one, Name a part of your body that helps you go from place to place. What is the answer? Yes. Answer is legs. Second one. Name a part of your body that you use to pick up things. What is the answer? Answer is hand. Third one. Which part of your body do you use to eat? Answer is mouth. Fourth one. Is your hair straight or curly? Is it long or short? Maybe your hair is straight. Maybe your hair curly. Maybe it is long. Maybe it is short. Fifth one. How many fingers do you have on each hand? What is the answer? 5. B. Join the dots to complete the picture. Then name the parts of your body. First one, hand. Second one, nose. Third one, leg. Fourth one, ear. Fifth one, foot. Sixth one, lip. Okay, children. In today's class, you have learned about an activity, and all of us are special. Whom do you look like? In the next video, we will learn Chapter 3, People I Know. Till then, watch this video repeatedly and have a good practice for your own self. Bye children. Have a nice day.